Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Greg and this is Puddle Walkers Outdoors. All right guys, 2023 was a phenomenal year for us. It was slow on the videos, but there was a lot going on behind the scenes. I had a stellar year and it was really hard to just compile it all together and try to pick what my favorite moments were, but these were my favorite moments from 2023. That's a giant, Annabelle. Fuck, I broke the rod.
You broke it?
Yeah, we broke it.
Dang. You're a strong one. Alright, careful, fish.
Damn, broke that rod.
It's like almost like the one we got, but it's like bigger.
It's a good fish, guys, but he snapped my rod. High sticked him a little too much. Dang, the leech. Not bad. I can't believe that snapped. Oh man, he was violent. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Bad at all. Came off right at the bank, guys. Holy bejeez. I thought I was fishing for a little smallmouth. Look at that beauty. Man, there's like 6 or 7 of them in here. This is just stellar. Absolutely stellar day, guys. All right, let's let them go. These holes are deep. I mean, what's living up over here, man? Oh! That's what's living up over here!
Oh dear God. Throw the net over here? I don't know. Here, give me the net. Okay, give me the net.
Oh my God, dude.
Big catfish.
Is that what it is?
I think so. Throw me the net. Pick up the other net. Go get him off the hole.
Dude, you gotta come to me, man. I'm like trying to keep this fish from coming off. Oh my God.
Okay, let's see here. Yeah, the channel. Just will keep going down. But catfish can't keep going there.
It's over here. Oh crap, he's gonna bust me. All right, hold on, let me let some line out. Man, guys, what a surprise catch.
You about eat him. Holy cow. I don't know what you had.
Dude, I thought I had a monster smallmouth. Channel cat, guys. On the trout tickler. He ate that thing 100% too. Here we go, guys. Nice channel cat. He's a couple pounder, at least a couple pounder. That's a nice channel. I'm pretty excited about that catch. Ooh. I got you, dude. I got you. I got you. I'm coming. He's coming to you, that's why. Yeah, that's a good one there. Where's he at? Oh, no. He's running to me. Got it, dude.
He was real explosive with that hit, man. Man, look at that fish. I ain't caught one like this in a while.
Nobody threw over here, so I'm going to. It's a good one. That's a good one. Look, another one with him. Yeah, somebody get the net. Oh. All right. I turned him for you. There we go. Yeah.
Football.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. That's a good one. I gave the boys their chances. How you guys see me? But look at that, guys. I only had one hook on the outside of his face left holding on to him. There, guys. That really is a good one. That's probably 15 inches right there. He's a chunk. All right, let's get him up out of here. Let's get back here. There we go. There we go. He didn't mess around much on that one. That's a giant rock bass.
That's like the biggest rock bass I've ever seen.
I don't think I've seen a.
Dude, that's a wall hanger.
I don't think I've ever seen one that big.
We need to measure this. 10 inches is the biggest one I've ever caught. And even if this isn't 10 inches, that thing is massive.
Oh yeah. Got a little something. It's got a little attitude.
Oh, dude, that's good. There's another nice one right behind
I
you.
see that. What the heck? He just came right in behind him.
Yeah, that one there's probably 14. That's not bad at all. Maybe I'll put mine down over here.
I got it.
That's another good one, guys. That's not bad.
All right, guys, another nice 14 for Kevin. It's a beautiful fish. Check this guy out. We're gonna let him go, see if we can get him.
Might as well call it poison. Chemical. I don't know how they know my name. I don't know how they know my name. I don't know how they know my name.
Where the hell are they hiding at? Other side of that tree or something? Here we go. Oh, there we go. Got him. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. It's a good one, dude. God damn it, I can't get up. That's a good one, dude. Real good one. That's a good fish. I think so anyways. Maybe he's just fighting really good. Nah, he's fat. That's a fatty. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Whew. The Ned. Another nice one on the trout tickler. I bet that one's almost 17 inches, dude, if not 18. Fell over twice trying to get you in, buddy. Got a whole school of them coming here, guys. Look at that. Look at that school of smallmouth following this guy. No, no, no. Come here. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. He's barely on there, guys. He's barely stinking on there. Kept this one on, guys. I kept this one on. He's a giant. He is not very long, but he is a giant. Holy crap. Look at the size of that smallmouth, guys. He's so short, but look at the shoulders on that thing. Oh my gosh. That dude is massive. Finally landed a good one, guys. Look how wide this fish is. This dude is wide body smallmouth, guys. All right, let's get him up out of here. Look at that. It's a big old deep pull back there. We gotta call it quits though. We gotta call it quits though. You know what I think that is though? I think that's the park. I really do. I think that's the end of it where you come down the hill. Oh shit, that's a fish. Yeah, that's a big one. Thought it was snag, dude. Oh, big old bass. Big old largemouth. Big old largemouth. Big old largemouth. Big old largemouth, guys. That's probably a 3-pounder, 4-pounder. Grab him, Gavin. Grab him, Gavin.
Grab him.
Let's grab that bucket mouth. Boy, look at that. Oh, I thought I was snagged. We're gonna weigh this fish. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, what a creek hog. Look at that hog, guys. What a creek largemouth on the rooster tail. Oh man, we walked so far back here, guys. Look at that. Oh man, I bet 3 pounds, guys, if not 4. All right, let's get a measure on him real quick. Yeah, clamp him on there. What's that?
4.80.
Almost 5-pound creek bass, guys.
4.78. Bring it down a little bit. 4.78. 4 pounds.
It's a nice one right there, guys. It's what we live for. I cannot believe you guys got this creek freak. All right, we're gonna let this guy go. On to the next adventure. Kevin's got a good one. Now, guys, I just released my fish.